How to check if iPhone is iCloud bypassed. Guys, in this video, you'll be guided through the step-by-step to check if your iPhone is iCloud bypassed. Go ahead and tap on settings, then tap on general, tap about. Now here, locate and copy the serial number. Now that I've copied the serial number, then go to your browser, any browser of your choice, tap and open it. Type in free iCloud check. Once you tap on it, it comes up like this, guys. So tap on the first one on the screen. So it comes up like this, guys. Enter the code, that is your number you copy from your device into this place. Tap on go. Once tap on go, then you have to complete the captcha. If the captcha comes out here, tap on next. So you can see that it's checking now. Just wait. Now you can see that you have other important information here about your iCloud. So if your iCloud is bypassed, you'll be able to see it here, guys. So if you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.